The communication services sector is one of the fast-growing sectors in the economy, comprising approximately 10% of the total market and 7.5% of the total US GDP. It is one of the most innovative and expansive sectors of the market and consists of companies involved in modern communication activities and information delivery. The sector has a total of 249 stocks, with a combined market cap of $5.93 trillion, a total revenue of $1.89 trillion, and a weighted average P ratio of 30.96%. The sector currently employs approximately 1.07 million people. The communications services sector was known as the telecommunications sector until September of 2018, when the Global Industry Classification Standard expanded the definition of content to include new forms of digital media and networks. Yet it is still commonly referred to as the telecommunications sector. The communications sector is considered by investors to be a potentially profitable area of the market, as it is constantly subject to new technological innovation and developments. However, this comes with higher risk and increased volatility in such a dynamic sector of the market. The broader communications services markets have experienced substantial growth over the last 10 years and continue to exhibit similar growth patterns. In recent years, the industries within the sector have developed significantly, which contributes to its consistent growth. The sector has a current compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.23%, and the sector is expected to reach around $3.99 trillion by 2033. The fast-paced growth of the sector is due to several reasons. The sector plays an important role in socio-economic development, as it allows people from different parts of the country and world to connect with one another with ease. Furthermore, the communications industries have developed significantly with the growth of generative AI and machine learning, which offers proactive issue detection, increased customer service experience, personalized recommendations, and can reduce costs through predictive maintenance and improvements in efficiency. Within the communications services sector are two industry groups, each with individual industries and sub-industries. The first industry group is telecommunications services, under which are the industries of diversified telecommunication services and wireless communication services. These industries include companies that provide fixed-line telecommunications networks and companies that provide primarily cellular or wireless telecommunication services. The second industry group is media and entertainment, under which are the industries of media, entertainment, and interactive media and services. These industries include a wide breadth of companies. There are companies that engage in producing and selling entertainment products and services, companies that produce interactive gaming products on consoles and mobile phones, and companies that specialize in search engines, social media, and online artificial intelligence platforms. As mentioned previously, the communications sector can be a potentially profitable yet volatile sector of the market for investors. The sector is subject to fast innovation that has the potential to provide gains if investments are timed correctly, but can allow for significant loss otherwise. This leads us into some risks of investing in the communication services sector. The continuous evolution of new technologies and services is challenging for businesses as they try to keep pace with the latest changes and ensure their systems are compatible. Communications technology can also allow for certain blind spots that can create vulnerabilities for companies if not accurately addressed. Furthermore, new technologies cause significant market disruption. For example, investing in landline technology was considered safe and profitable 2 decades ago. Now, the technology is essentially obsolete and has been widely replaced by cellular and wireless services. Despite the risks, there are many benefits to investing in communications industries, and it is not considered one of the more precarious sectors. Communications stocks are widely considered as effective defensive stocks, since there is constant demand and development in smartphones, software, and internet services, even during recessions. Furthermore, the sector is predicted to have consistent and considerable growth over the next few years, given developments in AI and machine learning. When investing in the communications sector, individuals can choose to invest in the entire sector, perhaps through mutual funds or ETFs, or they can choose to invest in a specific industry. The telecommunications services industry group contains some of the largest communications companies, including AT&T Inc., T, Verizon Communications Inc., VZ, and Comcast Corp., CMCSA. Investments under this industry group tend to be more stable due to the constant use and demand for these cell services. Under the media and entertainment industry group are some of the fastest growing companies in the market. These include companies such as Netflix, NFLX, Spotify Technology, SPOT, Alphabet Inc., GOOG, and NVIDIA Corp., NVDA. Certain shares in this industry group can experience sudden growth and quick drops, making investments risky yet highly profitable when timed correctly. There are a set of advantages and disadvantages that must be carefully considered when deciding to make investments in the communications sector. As a dynamic and expansive sector of the market, it is essential to understand these features to make the best informed decisions when investing. In terms of benefits, the communications sector is responsible for providing the economy with the essential technologies and software that are used every day. Smartphones have revolutionized telecommunication and have given individuals unprecedented access to information and communication services. 4G and 5G networks have rapidly expanded wireless streaming and are able to reach huge portions of the country. Generative AI and machine learning are currently transforming the software experience and creating personalized interfaces in every industry of the communications sector. These products from within the communications sector generate billions in revenue every year and can prove valuable investments in the short and long run. There are also some inherent disadvantages of investing within the communications sector. The sector is fast-driven and fueled by innovation in technology and hardware. While this can be highly profitable at the right moment, a significant amount of people lose money when investing too late or investing in an unsuccessful technology. Another challenge is that there is extremely high competition within this sector of the market. While social media companies have dominated the landscape and eroded the control of telecom companies, there is increasing competition between these telecom companies to fight for a place in the market. This contributes to increasing volatility and uncertainty when investing in telecommunications companies. Lastly, when the economy is uncertain, communications companies must overcome several economic and financial challenges to maintain profitability and growth. For example, network operators currently face higher interest rates on significant levels of debt, exacerbating challenges during times of extreme competition. Despite these challenges, the communications sector is a fast-growing and resilient portion of the market that has been very profitable for investors over the last 10 years. There is significant promise in the communications sector for the future. As previously mentioned, the estimated CAGR over the next few years is 6.23%, with the sector estimating to reach $3.99 trillion by 2033. The sector is also highly integrated with production in Asia-Pacific markets, and those areas produce a significant amount of the revenue that contributes to the sector's annual growth. Several industries within the communications sector are expected to experience long-term growth. The smartphones and at-home devices industries continue to innovate and develop new products that will soon be used by millions worldwide. Generative AI and machine learning develops at an unprecedented rate and will likely shape the future of the market. Investments in these industries within the communications sector are commonly viewed as necessary to active traders and asset managers. The long-term growth chart of the communications sector underscores the constant need for further innovation and developments, a feature that allows the sector to remain strong in moments of recession. The sector is only due to grow as younger generations become more technologically literate and push the sector into a new phase of growth.